The pleasant sounding hanging bells or wind chimes often feature on our wish list for home decor items, but we fear buying them majorly due to Vastu concerns. In this video, we'll share Vastu tips related to hanging bells that are aimed at bringing positivity home. Join me, Twinkle Gurnani, as we uncover the secrets to enhance your home's energy with these simple and musical decor pieces. Stay tuned in as we share 10 stunning hanging bell design ideas that adhere to Vastu principles as well. So let's usher in those good vibes. Speaking of good vibes, when sound emanates from a hanging bell, it creates a vibration that moves throughout the surrounding space and objects, enabling the positive energy flow to shift and circulate. As per Vastu, metal hanging bells are effective at cutting through any stagnant power. It is also a beautiful way to add metal elements to your residence. You can consider a simple metal bell with a fish motif or colored beads. A hanging bell with 5 cylinders symbolizes 5 elements: earth, fire, water, metal and wood. This unique hanging bell is considered auspicious and helps maintain the perfect balance and harmony in your home. Vastu advises using hanging bells with at least 6 to 8 hollow rods for optimal happiness. Enhance positive energy in your home by selecting a metal wind chime with an even number of hollow rods. Then there are the classic silver hanging bells. These beauties, when placed in the west or north direction, can attract good luck, especially for the younger family members. This design is also believed to attract a touch of prosperity, respect and honor. And who knew that a bright orange hanging bell could do more than just provide sweet music? According to Vastu, this variety can usher in happiness and bid farewell to bad luck. Next up, we've got the hanging bell in golden metal with 6 or 8 hollow rods. Believed to be a happiness magnet, placing this gem in the west direction brings good luck and honor. For those who love blending Vastu and Feng Shui, hanging bells with seashells are the perfect choice. Not only do they have a unique design, but they are also believed to work wonders in driving away negative energies and ensuring a constant flow of positive energy. For those looking for a natural touch, putting up bamboo hanging bells in the east, southeast or south direction can bring growth, wealth, fame and honor to your doorstep. But wait, there's more. Metal, clay, glass hanging bells. The variety is endless. While a decorative metal hanging bell can bring wealth, a clay or ceramic one can improve health, and a glass bell serves the dual purpose of adding beauty along with reducing stress and anxiety. Our DIY enthusiasts can create a hanging bell at home as well, whether it's a rustic clay-made bell or a handcrafted one with a fish motif. There are never-ending alternatives. Of course, we can't forget the do's and don'ts as per Vastu for putting up hanging bells at your home. Avoid broken or cracked bells. Keep them clean and never underestimate the power of a clutter-free space. Hanging bells or wind chimes in your kitchen can attract good energy, but remember, nobody should sit directly beneath them. There you have it, a guide to hanging bells as per Vastu, your key to a harmonious and positive home. So what are you waiting for? Head right out and bring home a hanging bell today. To make it easier, you can also get in touch with our expert interior designers for one-on-one home decor guidance by clicking on the link below. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to MBTV for more exciting real estate content. Until next time, this is Twinkle Gurnani signing off with camera person Raghu.